and lose weight.
Is it local? You
Yes,
just make it at home?
locally
Okay.
made, cow milk, but of course the carefree grains that are used for the culture are not from here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Hi. So, my name is Lamia. My business is called Yes Powered by Nature. You can find us on Instagram at yes.nairobi. So we specialize in energy bars. We have 7 different flavors. The latest one is called the Nutella bar. There's no Nutella in it, but there's roasted hazelnut, cocoa, and dates. So we focus on pure, wholesome ingredients, and we try to recreate those known flavors that people really like, but make them guilt-free. So we also have what I call the healthy Snickers bites. So we have them in milk chocolate and dark chocolate. So they're almost guilt-free because, of course, we do dip them in chocolate. But what's in it? It's basically oats, roasted peanuts, and dates. And we make the caramel ourselves by simply blending the dates in the food processor. So these are really, really the best seller. People really love them. They love to have, you know, a healthy alternative. So this is what we provide for people: a healthy alternative. You enjoy what you're eating, and you don't feel guilty. So yeah, we like to provide people a boost of energy when you don't have time to take breakfast or you're just working hard. You just take it on the go until you have time to eat. So yeah, this is what we do.
Yeah. So what you're trying to do is to provide people a wholesome meal replacement that has everything,
Yeah.
but now on a reduced calories. Since I haven't heard you adding sugar, but you're adding fruit alternative to
Right.
put it like to make it sweet.
Right. So I wouldn't call it a meal replacement. Maybe the granola bar, I've heard a lot of customers saying they take it as a meal replacement. It's a very wholesome. It has oats, seeds, nuts, and dried fruits, honey, and peanut butter. So out of all of them, I think it's the highest in calorie. We've not got around to counting the calories in each of the bars yet, but I wouldn't say they're low in calorie. There's good types of calories, like even though it's high in calorie, they are good, nutritious calories. So, you know, I wouldn't fall into that, you know, thinking that calories are bad. Calories are actually good. What we put in it is all wholesome and is natural. So yes, there are dates, there are nuts, but they're good for you. And the sugar you find in dates, it's much better than refined sugar. So that's what we provide.
So do you source your raw materials from organically grown from farmers, or what do you think?
Right, so I try as much as possible to get locally sourced products. It's not always possible because there's some like cranberries that we don't find around here. So there are few products that are not being grown here, so I do get them from outside, unfortunately, but we try to support local businesses as much as we can.
Okay, thank you so much for your
You're
time.
welcome.
And whoever doesn't do anything dealing with milk, millet, wheat flour, that is, you can do the gluten-free crackers. They are very good at health because we use the same flour we are doing with our crackers, and we enrich them in one way or another with the different types of herbs. Another thing we have called the olives. and the oils are marinated differently. We have the lemon and garlic. If you are a garlic person, you are a lemon person, you can do the lemon and garlic. We have got sun-dried tomatoes, we have chili hot. We have combo, those are olives marinated with the cheeses. Actually, the combination of all types of olives plus cheese and chilies there. At the same time, we have the black lemon and garlic. We have the mixed herbs. We have the tapenade. It's a very nice dip. You can do on your spread. You can do on your toppings. Like bread, instead of using the margarine, which have a lot of preservatives, you can use our tapenade, which is very rich and very healthy. At the same time, we have the onion and jam. Instead of using as well the margarines, you can use the jam to do your spreads. You can do your samosas on it. You can do your sandwiches. They're very nice. We have the cheeses. We have different types of cheeses. We have the feta, marinated feta in olive oil, black pepper, cumin seeds, and olive oil, that is. And we have one which we don't use the olive oil. If you can use they're the same, it's the same thing, but they're marinated differently. Otherwise, it's very nice. We have the fresh mozzarella cheese in water, and we have one which is fresh, which is not in water. We have the halloumi, which is very good. The one she has taken the picture there, very yummy. You can fry it, you can fry it or you don't. We have the cheddar, different types of cheddars. We have the creamy cheddar. And remember, our cheeses, we don't use any preservative, any additives. We don't as well, we don't do any preservatives in short. They are whole. We have the gouda with cumin, we have the gouda themselves. And we have the paneer. The paneer, you know, is good with the salad. You can fry with the spinach. And these are other salad vegetables. Actually, my stand is, we call it healthy eating stand. So wherever you see my products, just come. You know you'll be eating healthy. That's it. Some people have tried to imitate my products. They do what I'm doing, but they can't. So I'm at Suki. I used to be at Suki. At the moment, I'm not there. You can find me at Chandaranas. At all markets, I'm there. Even I go as far as that Nanyuki. I go to Diani. I got orders from every corner of Kenya. So because people know my products, come and support me. I'm upcoming